Strategic Planning and Policies by Ramiro G. Serrano. Introduction. In today's fast-paced and constantly evolving digital world, the security of information is of utmost importance for organizations in all industries. With cyber threats becoming increasingly sophisticated, coupled with regulatory pressures and the growing dependence on technology, it is crucial to have a comprehensive and forward-looking InfoSec strategy. Organizations need to develop proactive, strategic plans that extend over the next 3 to 5 years, recognizing the dynamic nature of the cybersecurity landscape. These plans serve as a roadmap for navigating the complexities of InfoSec, ensuring a proactive and adaptable approach to safeguarding sensitive information assets. Purpose: the primary objective of the 3 to 5 year InfoSec plan is to establish a structured framework that effectively guides the strategic, tactical, and organizational initiatives of the organization in the field of information security. The plan aims to provide a comprehensive approach to information security, addressing all aspects of the organization's operation to ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and availability, and safeguard against the potential threats. Integrated basic elements of professional discourse. Integrating professional discourse elements into technical communication is crucial in IT and network operations. This helps in conveying complex information to stakeholders effectively. Elements such as audience analysis, writing process, and design elements enhance clarity and collaboration. Audience analysis. Effective communications depend on the ability to understand the audience. In IT and network operations, the audience may consist of technical and non-technical stakeholders such as end users, management, or other departments. It is essential to conduct a thorough audience analysis to determine their level of technical expertise, interest, and specific information needs. The communication style and content should match the audience knowledge level. For technical stakeholders, provide detailed information, while for non-technical stakeholders, use simple language and focus on the outcomes. Writing processes. The process of writing involves several stages, including planning, drafting, revising, and editing. It is crucial to have clear, concise, and well-organized writing when communicating technical information to ensure accurate delivery. Additionally, it is recommended to outline key points and arrange information in a logical sequence. When communicating with non-technical stakeholders, using a plain language and avoiding jargon is advisable. It is crucial to ensure the accuracy and relevance of the content. Technical terms must be defined or explained appropriately for the target audience. Seeking feedback from peers or subject matters experts can help improve technical accuracy and clarity. Finally, one should ensure grammatical correctness and consistency in formatting. Design elements. The way technical documents are designed has a significant impact on how people perceive and understand information. While design documents make the information more readable and engaging, using a clear and logical structure with headings, subheadings, and sections is vital. For longer documents, a table of contents should be included. Visual aids such as diagrams, charts, and graphs can also illustrate complex concepts, but they should be appropriately labeled with the captions that provide additional context. Fonts should be easy to read and of appropriate size, and formatting like bold, italics, and underlining should be used to emphasize key points. It is also essential to incorporate white space and break up tense text with paragraphs and spacing to avoid overwhelming the reader. 3 to 5 year operational, tactical, and strategic management plan. Operational management plan, fully operational in year 1 through 2. Organization's security goals. To ensure success, the organization needs to establish standards to promote consistency and efficiency. Developing a comprehensive set of guidelines can guide decision-making, support objectives, and enhance performance. 2. Identify sensitive information. Once sensitive information is identified, management can implement solutions to secure it. 3. Threat identification. Analyze threats to identify vulnerabilities in the system and determine areas that need safeguarding. Use metrics to optimize and enhance security. 4. Recognize the potential risk. Identify and ranking risk through analysis helps management teams minimize or eliminate them. 5. Protective service implementation. Create an incident response plan, monitor for threats in real time, conduct security awareness training, and perform phishing simulation exercises. Completion of FERPA training. Tactical management plan, fully operational in year 2 through 3. 1. Patch management. Develop a comprehensive process in place for patch management to ensure timely updates. Patch deployment should be automated wherever possible to minimize vulnerabilities. Endpoint security. Deploy advanced endpoint protection solutions, implement device encryption, and enforce security policies. 3. Vendor security management. Assess and improve third-party vendor security postures, enforce contractual compliance. 4. Network security. Secure the network with advanced firewalls, implement intrusion detection and prevention systems, and conduct frequent vulnerability assessments. 5. Access management. Implement and centralize identity and access management (IAM) systems which also implement multi-factor authentication (MFA). 6. Data protection. Implement data encryption for data at rest, in transit, and during processing to enhance data loss prevention (DLP). 7. Cloud security. Create a well-planned cloud security strategy by implementing appropriate security controls and regularly monitoring your cloud-based system. Strategic management plan, fully operational in year 2 through 3. Security governance and compliance. Create a structured security governance system to implement all security measures properly, comply with industry regulations and standards to meet all security protocols. Cybersecurity resilience. Number 2. Create and test comprehensive cybersecurity resilience and recovery plan while establishing redundant systems and off-site backups for critical assets. Number 3. Budget considerations. Allocate budget resources for technology and investment, training, and ongoing cybersecurity initiatives. 4. Collaboration and information sharing. Foster collaboration with industry peers to share threat information by participating in information sharing and analysis centers and forums. Foster a culture of security by communicating and collaborating regularly across departments. Develop communication plans for incidents to maintain transparency. 5. Evaluation and metrics. Establish KPI and metrics to measure security effectiveness. Regularly update architecture to address emerging threats and tech advancements. Appropriate security solutions. Cybersecurity solutions refer to technological tools and services to protect organizations against cyber attacks. These attacks could lead to application downtime, loss of sensitive data, harm to reputation, compliance fines, and other adverse consequences. Application security solutions. Number 1. During development and testing, software applications are tested for vulnerabilities and protected against attacks in production. Number 2. Endpoint security. Endpoint devices such as servers and employees' workstations can be protected from malware and unauthorized access, and breaches can be detected and stopped as they occur. Number 3. Network security. Organizations can monitor network traffic to detect malicious activity and mitigate threats by blocking or filtering. Number 4. Internet of Things security. IoT devices are increasingly used for mission-critical applications and storing sensitive data, but are often unsecured by design. It is essential to gain visibility and apply security controls to the growing network of IoT devices. Number 5. Cloud security. Assist in managing complex cloud environments by detecting and resolving security misconfigurations configurations and vulnerabilities. Key organizational roles. The successful implementation of information security plan requires collaboration and active participation from various organizational roles. Each role uniquely ensures that the plan is executed effectively and that the security measures are integrated into the organization's operations. Key organizational roles. 1. Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. Ensure overall implementation of the information security plan and alignment with organizational goals. Develop, communicate, and lead security strategies and policy. Number 2. Chief Risk Officer, CRO. Execute day-to-day activities from the security plan, manage the security team, monitor security metrics and KPIs, and implement security awareness and training programs. Number 3, IT Specialist. Implement and manage security solutions, monitor alerts and incidents, conduct vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, and manage security controls. Number 4, Network and Systems Administrators. Implement security configurations and controls on network devices and systems, monitor and manage security measures, apply, patch, and update to systems promptly, collaborate with IT security teams on security-related tasks. Number 5, Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. Ensure that information and security initiatives are aligned with overall technology strategies and integrate into technology planning, with adequate budget and resource allocated for security. Number 6, Legal and Compliance Officers. Ensure that all security measures comply with relevant laws and regulations and address any legal or regulatory implications security incidents. Collaboration with IT and security teams is essential to ensure compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. And number 7, internal audit team. Conduct regular security audits to ensure compliance with policies, evaluate the effectiveness of security controls, and provide recommendations for improvement. IT governance and cybersecurity frameworks. IT governance and cybersecurity frameworks offer organizations structured approach to manage and secure their IT environments. It is essential to evaluate the components of these frameworks to ensure their regulatory compliance. The critical components of IT governance and cybersecurity frameworks relevant to regulatory compliance will be discussed. IT governance frameworks. IT governance is a crucial aspect of corporate governance that focuses on enhancing information technology management. Its primary objective is to derive better value from investments in IT. IT governance frameworks help organizations manage their IT risks efficiently, ensuring that their information and technology-related activities align with their business objectives. COBIT, ITIL are two IT governance frameworks discussed for organizational purposes. Control objectives for information and related technologies, COBIT. COBIT ensures that IT processes align with business goals and support organizational objectives. The framework includes maturity models for assessing process maturity and meeting compliance requirements. Information Technology Infrastructure Library, ITIL, emphasizes service management processes such as incidents, change, and configuration management. These processes are essential for maintaining a compliant IT environment. Additionally, ITIL's continuous service improvements help address compliance gaps and improve security practices. Cybersecurity frameworks. A cybersecurity framework is a standardized set of guidelines that enable security leaders across different industries and countries to understand their security postures and those of their vendors. Implementing a framework that allows common cybersecurity standards makes it much easier for organizations to define the process and procedures necessary to assess, monitor, and mitigate cybersecurity risks. Two cybersecurity frameworks and standards discussed are NIST and ISO IEC 27001. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. NIST helps organizations understand cybersecurity risk, establish a baseline for compliance, and implement safeguards to protect against cyber threats. The organization emphasizes continuous monitoring and detection, outlines strategies for responding to and recovering from security incidents, and addresses regulatory reporting requirements. Information Security Management System requires organizations to conduct risk assessments and implement controls to address identified risks. Establish and maintain security policy aligns with regulatory expectations and requirements. Solving computing problems by communication. The computer field involves many activities from initial investigation phase to the final computing system implementation. Post-development services such as computing maintenance and support are also necessary. Practical communication skills, both written and oral, are crucial for carrying out these activities successfully. Strong communication skills are essential for identifying, formulating, and resolving computing problems. Problem identification. It is essential to actively listen during discussions or meetings to understand the context of the problem entirely. Do not hesitate to ask questions and seek stakeholder clarification to uncover underlying issues. It is also crucial to document requirements and problem statements in written form. To help facilitate and share understanding of complex concepts, consider using diagrams, flowcharts, or tables. Problem formulation. In order to encourage teamwork and practical problem solving, it is vital to facilitate collaborative sessions where team members can express their perspective. During these discussions, it is essential to clearly articulate the problem statement, potential solutions, and constraints. To ensure everyone is on the same page, developing detailed specifications or design documents outlining the proposed solutions is essential. Finally, when conveying in technical detail, algorithm, and data structures, it's best to use concise and precise language. Problem solving. It is essential to keep everyone updated on the progress and challenges of a project. Therefore, conducting regular status updates for team members and stakeholders is crucial. Brainstorming sessions also should be held to discuss ideas and solutions to overcome obstacles. Documenting the step-by-step process of implementing solutions helps to keep everyone on the same page. Additionally, writing clean and well-commented code to enhance readability for others involved in the project is essential. 3 to 5 year InfoSec plan aligns with the vision statements. The 3 to 5 year information security plan offered by Serrano Industries provides IT and network operations specifically designed to strengthen the technology infrastructure of school districts, even in the event of unexpected disasters, cyber breaches, or outages that may affect their facilities or operations. The comprehensive suite of services is tailored to meet the unique needs of educational institutions, ensure that their system remains operational and secure at all times. The operational management plan will be fully operational in 1 year, but complete by year 2 with any modifications needed to be addressed from year 1 experiences. The tactical management plan is set to commence operation at the beginning of year 1 and expected to be fully operational by year 2. However, the plan will continue to evolve and incorporate any necessary additional security measures based on experiences gained during the first 2 years. This will complete the security structure by year 3, ensuring compliance with all relevant standards. The tactical management plan will be reviewed annually up to 5 years to ensure all necessary security measures are implemented to meet the required standards. The strategic management plan will be implemented in 1 year, but will only be fully operational by year 3. During years 2 and 3, the strategic plan must consider any budget modifications to ensure the school district makes technological and cybersecurity allocations and investments. By partnering with Serrano Industries, school districts can benefit from our IT and network operation expertise and rely on us to provide them with reliable, efficient, and cost-effective solutions that enable them to focus on their primary mission of educating students. Policies, standards, and guidelines and procedures. In the realm of information security and organizational governance, the term policies, standards, guidelines, and procedures refers to the distinct type of documents that serve different purposes and levels of detail. Policies. Number one, policies define organizations' overall objectives, goals, and intentions. They provide a framework for decision making and actions and set the tone for the organization's culture and values. Policies define the expected behavior and expectation and apply to the entire organizations. Number two, standards. Standards are more detailed than policies. They provide specific criteria, requirements, and specifications that must be met. They establish a baseline for consistency and uniformity, define technical or procedural requirements, and are generally applicable across the organizations. Number three, guidelines. Guidelines are valuable for providing flexible recommendations and guidance that aid in compliance with policies and standards. They offer suggestions and advice without imposing strict requirements, allowing organizations to adapt and tailor their approach to their needs. Guidelines are designed to be informative and helpful, providing framework for best practices while allowing for flexibility in implementation. Their importance cannot be overstated, as adherence to guidelines can help ensure organizational success and mitigate risk. Number four, procedures. Procedures are detailed step-by-step instructions that provide a precise and repeatable way to perform specific tasks or processes. They are designed to ensure consistency in execution, and are specific to a particular process, task, or activity. By following established procedures, organizations can maintain high efficiency, accuracy, and quality in their operations. It is important to note that the procedures should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect changes in process, technology, or best practices. Cybersecurity frameworks. The suitability of cybersecurity frameworks works to establish a cybersecurity program relies on multiple aspects such as organization size, industry, regulatory obligations, risks, tolerance, and specific business requirements. These frameworks offer a structured approach and best practice for implementing and managing cybersecurity controls. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. This methodology is flexible and risk-based, suitable for diverse industries of all sizes. It prioritizes continuous improvement and communications. However, it requires customization to address specific industry or regulatory requirements. Therefore, organizations must tailor the methodology to their unique circumstances to ensure maximum effectiveness. IAS 27001. This globally organized and comprehensive approach to information security management is suitable for any organization. It offers certifications to demonstrate compliance with standards. However, its implementation and maintenance can be resource intensive and require customization to fit specific business contexts. COBIT, Control Objective for Information and Related Technologies. This framework is deemed suitable for organizations striving to align their IT infrastructure with business objectives, particularly for those focusing on IT governance. Moreover, this framework integrates seamlessly with other frameworks and standards. However, it is essential to note that some organizations may find this framework more IT focused than their required mandate. CIS Critical Security Controls. The following framework is tailored for organizations that prioritize critical security controls and seek to enhance their overall cybersecurity posture. It provides a prioritized list of security controls emphasizing practical and effective measures. However, the framework is less comprehensive than the broader frameworks available. SOC2, Service Organization Control, is a standard auditors use to evaluate company system for security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. SOC is a standard for cloud service providers. Organizations must document internal processes related to security, availability, process integrity, confidentiality, and privacy to comply. They must also provide evidence of adequate controls such as audit logs or test results. PCI DSS, a council of payment processors created by payment card industry data security standards to protect customers' payment card data. It compromised 12 requirements for organizations to secure their system and prevent unauthorized access to customer information, including access control, network security, and data storage. The standard also includes measures for safeguarding customer payment card data, such as encryption and tokenization technologies. And the following are my references. Thank you.